Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Briana Marie, and I'm back with another fun tutorial, y'all. I told y'all I was coming back and I'm getting these tutorials out to y'all. My mic is about to die, that's why I'm talking so fast. So I want to get to this tutorial. It's on this wig that I bought out of my pockets, no paid promotion or nothing like that. I love how this look came out. This give me birthday vibes. I'm in my lingerie, y'all, because I'm trying to do like an OnlyFans. I might start an OnlyFans, I don't know. I'm thinking about it. But my nails came off. Just right here. Anyways, if y'all want to see how I achieve this look and how I put this wig on, this is a synthetic wig, y'all, and it's so cute. I just wish it was on this side instead of that side. But yeah, if y'all want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. I already like prepped my wig to get put on, but we have a wig right here that is from the beauty supply. This was actually on a mannequin, so a lot of people have been touching this one because this was the only one that they had. I'm trying to do a review on it so y'all can see the scalp. Y'all can see the scalp in the track, so I couldn't like pluck it no more than that. The only part I like really plucked was kind of the front hairline a little bit, and you can't go too far on that one. You'll start seeing the tracks behind it. That's how synthetic wigs be set up. It's so cute, and I think I could get a cute look with this, like a simple. My nails is rushing. I'm gonna take these off, the rest of these off. This is a, she even look cute with it. Y'all see that? That's cute. So this is a sister wig. It was $49. I think it was some discount off because it was on the mannequin. This was the last one, so I was like, can we take the mannequin? It's called Slay Another Slay, lace front, and then it says you can do high heat up to like 350. It's a side tab part. It's a deep part, 6 inches of deep part. And then the wig style is Slay Lace H Gia. Y'all can see that name. And then it's in 613 blonde. But this is not a pay review. I paid my own money for this wig, y'all. So this isn't a pay review. I just want to do a look with this wig. I'm like, okay, let me see. I haven't tried a synthetic wig in a long time, and this one looks really good. So let me stop talking and let's glue this bad boy down. Alright, so once I let this dry, I'm gonna come back so we can stick it on. And the inside is constructed. It looks good, to be honest. But oh, this wig is cute. Y'all like this wig? I love it. I just want to cut the lace part, y'all. I keep looking at my viewfinder. You got like little layers in here, huh? Let me go comb it. Let me put a band on it and then comb it. I'm gonna come back when my eyebrows are done. I'm gonna go with my bronze palette. I want to be bronzy today, but I do want a rainbow under the eyes or something like colorful under the eyes, and then shimmer probably on the lid. Let's go into these colors. I think I want to grab this color first. This is out of the bronze 35G bronze gold palette. I'm gonna grab this color right here, which I already know I'm going on a 167 Morphe brush with this. So I'm going to keep this. Y'all already know when it comes to makeup. If y'all haven't checked out my Morphe video with all the brushes that I did, check that video out because it's lit, y'all, and all the brushes I use. So I'm just basically packing this on the lid. I'm going into this color on the Morphe 535 brush. I'm adding black to the outer V part of my eye. Alright, y'all, so I went in with this color. So now I'm about to take my Jlarue white gold pigment and I'm gonna put this all over the nude. So during the face portion, my mic went out, but this look is so beat, so pretty, so perfected. I just feel like it's so cute. Oh my god. And with the pink underneath. So I'm Juvia's place sent me. Remember I told y'all I had a box? I don't know if I told y'all I had a box in the other tutorial, but I had a box that came to me, y'all. Oh my god. Juvia's place be going crazy. Don't forget to use my code BMarie when y'all purchasing at checkout, so y'all can save y'all some money. But I'm gonna use the lip liner, and they got so many. I'm gonna show y'all what's inside. They arts be so amazing. Look at that. Look at this. I got lippy. As far as lips, I want to do brown and red. So I'm gonna take one of the lip liners. This one is called
You gotta do what?
Cola. So y'all could do a nude lip with this. I was thinking nude, but I'm like, no. Just like that. I'll put a little, what you call it? Liquid. These lashes, though. I gotta go to this one, this one. I'm gonna take Stila. BESO liquid lipstick. I know I feel like it's a flap in here, like I felt it. I know he is somewhere. Get the fuck on, fly. So I'm gonna take Moonlight from yesterday that I had on. I'm gonna put that on my cheekbone. Oh, I just want a little bit. Y'all, these looks making out so fire. I'm like so in the mood to do looks, y'all, lately. As of lately, it's been looks. Trying to work. I'm looking for a birthday beat. I think that I'm gonna name this birthday beat for y'all to do. Most funny as well. If y'all want to go back in, blush. What I'm about to do is I'm about to I got makeup on my hand. Probably getting all up in here. So I used to have my part on the right side instead of the left side of my face, but okay. So I think I'm putting some lingerie, y'all, so I can take pictures in it. And I'm gonna come back, okay? Thank you guys so much for tuning into this tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next Slay video.